jump and shout. Come on, let's get the energy out. A, B, C, let's work out. Move your body, twist and shout. D, E, F, stretch up high, reach the sky, touch the sky. A is for apple, reach up tall. B is for butterfly, fly, don't fall. D is for cat, stretch like this. D is for dance, give a little twist. E is for elephant, stomp your feet. F is for frog, jump up with a leap. G, H, I, let's move around. Shake your body to the sound. J, K, L, let's march in place with a smile on your face. G is for giraffe, stretch your neck. H is for hop, hop to the deck. I is for inchworm, crawl real slow. J is for jump, go, go, go. Jump up and down. K is for kite, sway in the breeze. L is for lion, roar with ease. N, O, let's bend and sway. Move your body, feel okay. P, Q, R, reach for the stars, stretch out wide, go so far. M is for monkey, swing those arms. N is for noodle, wiggle like worms. O is for octopus, wave your tentacles. P is for penguin, waddle, it's cool. Q is for queen, bow with grace. R is for run, in one place. S, T, U, let's twist and turn. Feel the heat, let it burn. V, W, X, stretch and flex, work it out. What's next? S is for snake, slither around. T is for tiger, prowl on the ground. U is for unicorn, prance with pride. V is for volcano, explode wide. W is for whale, dive down deep. X is for X-ray, show your bones. Y, Z, we're almost done. Feel the joy, we've had fun. A, B, C, and all the rest. You've done so great, you are the best. Y is for yawn, stretch and rest. C is for zigzag, do your best. Now we've moved from A to Z. You've worked out so happily. A, B, C, we worked out. Moved our bodies, no doubt. D, E, F, we had fun. Now our workout is done.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.